Today in Granny's kitchen we're going to make a no-bake marshmallow cake. For this recipe you will need a 400-gram pack of digestive biscuits. I'm just going to break them up a little bit in the bowl. I don't want them to be too fine. 100 grams of marshmallows, and I've got these tiny little marshmallows that you get for baking. A bag of chocolate chips, a 100-gram bag of chocolate chips. Again, you can just get a bar of chocolate and cut that into little chunks to add. A tub of glassy cherries. This is a 200-gram tub. So we're just breaking that down as much as we can at this stage. Okay, so I'm going to half these glassy cherries down a little bit further. Okay, once you've chopped all the cherries, little marshmallows, you get these in the baking stall, and your chocolate chips, and then add in your butter, which binds your melted butter, which is about 3 ounces of melted butter. And lastly, stir in your can of condensed milk. So just mix that really well. They're well coated. We're going to place them into a baking tin, which I've already lined with one of these cases that you can get in supermarkets and in places like Lakeland. Get them off Amazon as well. Loaf tin liners, which are very, very useful. Just make sure you sweep it up from the bottom because it's there that all the dry bits would still be lurking. So I'm now going to pop it into 2 loaf tins since I've doubled the recipe. Right, and then just pat it down firmly and pop it in the fridge for a couple of hours.